Hello. This is part 4 of the Conrail rebuild series. I'm just going to do a quick testing session, a couple laps around the track, and show you how well it works. Works really good going forward. It's very noisy. It always was noisy though, even when it was new. Let's back it up. So I'm actually very happy. I'm pleased that this locomotive turned out as well as it did for as rough shape as it was in. So it's time to use it, put some miles on it. So I'll finish up the video with some drive-bys.